I would say KTM India really helped us grow as a mature rider through this trip, as they had a wonderful KTM expert guiding us throughout our journey.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज मैं जा रहा हूँ KTM के शोरूम पे, नया जो खुला है नेरुल में, एंड काफ़ी लोग मुझे मिलने वाले हैं वहाँ पे। तो वहाँ जाके देखते हैं कि कौन कौन आया है। शायद से मेहुल एंड अथर्व एंड बाकी लोग भी मिलने वाले हैं। सो वहाँ पे चलते हैं, वहाँ पे मिलते हैं उन लोगों को और देखते हैं कि कौन कौन आया है। तो अभी के लिए बाइक साफ़ हो रही है, जैसे ही साफ़ हो जाएगी मैं निकल जाऊँगा। और अथर्व भाई कैसे हो? बड़े सालों बाद।
बहुत टाइम बाद। Showroom inauguration. So we are very happy that this showroom is getting inaugurated today, along with a small event with Pratiksha and Mehul. So they are here today for their followers meet and subscribers meet. Yeah. So before we start off the official ribbon cutting and the meet of them, so whenever we have a showroom inauguration happening, we always do a kind of a guard of honor for the new showroom, right? So we always do a small kind of lineup with all our riders, and then a small spin, a small rally kind of a thing across this area, and then we come over here, then we'll cut the ribbon and start off. Yeah. So I request Pratiksha and Mehul to lead the ride, take you guys for a small rally, and then we'll get on to auspiciously to the new store, right? So over to you guys. Yeah. So let's have a lineup first.
क्या बोलते हो विशाल भाई?
बस भाई एकदम बढ़िया। क्या बोलते हो?
भाई
बड़े दिनों बाद
मिल रहे हो।
पहली रन के बाद सीधा आज ना?
हाँ नया
सीधा आज।
आकाश,
ए हाय,
कैसा लग रहा है मिलके?
बहुत बढ़िया फर्स्ट मीट अपनी।
हमेशा व्हाट्सएप पे बात हुआ है।
खाली व्हाट्सएप पे बात हुआ, आज फर्स्ट टाइम पर्सनली मीट किया।
So we believe in providing experiential
opportunities for our customers to release their passion. So be it with respect to adventure, be it with respect to their riding. So we curate some unique destined business people in the country, very well known figures in the adventure motorcycling as well as on the racing arena. So we have partnered with them. So these are the people who create this kind of different activations. Can you just
I would say KTM India really helped us grow as a mature rider through this trip, as they had a wonderful KTM expert guiding us throughout our journey.
So hello guys, well to begin with, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being here and attending my very first meetup. And special thanks to KTM India for inviting me to this inauguration, and congratulations once again to adding one more showroom. Yeah, so yes, after finally, after 6 years of finally being a content creator, today I'm having my own meetup. And
so guys, I'm Nerul, basically known as Nerul Kumar, and Nerul16 on all your social media platforms. I ride motorcycles and I am an engineer by profession, but then a few years back I chose to leave that field and got into aviation, so I'm an aspiring commercial pilot.
लेफ्ट लेना है बोल दो। मस्त झाड़, ये रास्ता सबसे बेस्ट है। जब भी मैं इस साइड आता हूँ ना तो ये रास्ते से ही आता हूँ। दोनों तरफ झाड़ है, धूप वूप कुछ टेंशन नहीं है। तभी हम लोग अपने अपने घर पे जा रहे हैं। चलो अभी what I'll do is I'll reach home and I'll end this video over here. You can follow me on my Instagram ID, that's silentbiker_kv. चलो bye bye.